dream jobs often feel like a ticket to a life filled with excitement, creativity, and fulfillment. But what happens when those roles, despite their allure, turn out to be almost impossible to attain? For many, the gap between aspiration and reality is wider than expected, often due to intense competition or unique challenges. For instance, studies reveal that only 1 in 16,000 high school athletes attains a professional career in sports. Similarly, roles like film director or astronaut attract thousands of applicants, but only a handful succeed each year. In this video, we'll examine 19 careers that captivate imaginations but are incredibly hard to achieve. We'll uncover the obstacles professionals face, why these roles are so coveted, and what aspiring individuals should know before pursuing them. Which of these dream jobs would you strive for, and which would you leave to someone else? Share your thoughts below. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Professional athlete. Becoming a professional athlete is a childhood dream for many, but remains out of reach for most. This career requires an extraordinary level of skill, dedication, and physical ability, often cultivated from a very young age. Even those who make it through rigorous training face stiff competition and limited opportunities. Athletes often dedicate years to refining their craft with no guarantees of success. Injuries or changes in the competitive landscape can derail a promising career. The mental and physical pressure of constant performance adds to the challenge, making this a demanding and selective profession. Financial success in sports isn't uniform, with only top-tier athletes earning significant incomes. Number 2. Astronaut. Astronauts symbolize humanity's ultimate frontier ambitions, but represent one of the most exclusive professions globally. In 2020, more than 12,000 people submitted applications. 10 people were selected from that group, an acceptance rate of 0.083%. Candidates must have a strong background in science, engineering, or aviation, paired with rigorous physical fitness and psychological resilience. The path to becoming an astronaut is long, involving years of education and specialized training. Even with all the qualifications, candidates must undergo competitive selection processes and intense evaluations. The ability to remain calm under pressure and work in confined spaces is essential for success. Number 3. Fashion designer. A career as a fashion designer seems glamorous, filled with creative freedom and the potential for fame. Yet, breaking into this industry requires more than just talent. It demands relentless networking, branding, and financial investment. The competition in fashion capitals like Paris and Milan is especially fierce. Designers often begin with internships or junior roles that offer low pay and long hours. Establishing a brand requires not only creativity, but also business acumen to manage marketing and production. Success is measured by the ability to consistently predict trends and meet evolving consumer demands. The industry's volatility means even established designers face challenges maintaining relevance. Number 4. Film director. Directing films appeals to those who love storytelling and visual art, but the road is anything but straightforward. Directors need extensive experience in filmmaking, a distinctive vision, and the ability to lead large teams under pressure. Success often requires years of smaller projects and personal sacrifices. Breaking into Hollywood or other major film industries requires connections and a body of work that showcases exceptional talent. Independent directors often face challenges in securing funding and distribution for their projects. The immense pressure to deliver a successful film, combined with the unpredictable nature of the audience's response, makes this a high-stakes career. Number 5. Food critic. Becoming a food critic offers a career filled with culinary experiences, but demands exceptional skill and perseverance. Critics need refined palates, strong writing abilities, and a deep understanding of culinary techniques and trends. The competition for prominent roles at major outlets is fierce, with editors expecting insightful reviews and engaging narratives. Food critics must handle the pressure of meeting deadlines while maintaining objectivity and credibility. Balancing honesty with diplomacy and critiques can make or break relationships with chefs and restaurants. Those who succeed enjoy the privilege of shaping public opinion on dining, but it requires dedication and precision. It's a career rooted in passion for food and storytelling. Number 6. Video game designer. Creating video games is an appealing career for tech-savvy creatives, but breaking into the industry is daunting. Designers need proficiency in programming, graphic design, and storytelling, often achieved through specialized education and extensive practice. The industry's competitiveness requires candidates to consistently showcase unique and innovative ideas. Building a game portfolio involves countless hours of unpaid work or internships. Small studios often struggle with funding, limiting opportunities for newcomers. Even those at large companies face pressure to deliver high-quality games under tight deadlines. Number 7. Content creator. Becoming a content creator seems like an exciting career, offering freedom and creativity, but it comes with challenges. Successful creators need a unique voice, technical skills, and the ability to consistently produce engaging content. Building an audience requires understanding algorithms, social media trends, and the preferences of your target demographic. The field is highly competitive, with countless individuals vying for attention on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Content creators must navigate inconsistent income streams, relying on sponsorships or ad revenue to sustain their efforts. Creating quality content while managing marketing, analytics, and branding adds pressure to an already demanding role. Number 8. Chef at a Michelin-starred restaurant. Becoming a top-tier chef is a dream for culinary enthusiasts, but is far from easy. It takes years of rigorous training, often in high-pressure kitchens, to develop the required skills. Gaining recognition requires not only exceptional cooking, but also creativity and leadership in managing teams. Also, out of all the restaurants in the world, only 2,817 restaurants in the world have Michelin status of any kind, with only 137 restaurants achieving 3 stars. The path to Michelin star status involves climbing ranks in a competitive industry. Aspiring chefs face long hours, intense scrutiny, and limited financial rewards in their early careers. Establishing a reputation as a culinary innovator demands constant evolution in technique and presentation. Number 9. Actor. Acting offers fame and creative fulfillment, but remains one of the most challenging careers to break into. The industry is flooded with aspiring actors, making opportunities scarce and highly competitive. Success often relies on the right connections, luck, and relentless perseverance. Actors face rejection frequently, with auditions offering no guarantees of landing roles. Building a career requires adaptability, as roles may not align with personal ambitions or artistic preferences. Financial instability is common, with many actors working side jobs to support their craft. Even established actors contend with the pressures of maintaining their reputation and securing meaningful roles. Before we continue with the video, take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Plus, we've got some helpful resources in the description. Check them out and share your comments after you're done watching. Number 10. Luxury travel consultant. Luxury travel consulting blends wanderlust with curating exclusive experiences, making it a dream job for travel enthusiasts. Yet, establishing credibility in this niche market is difficult without connections and substantial industry experience. Clients in this field expect personalized, high-end services, adding pressure to deliver perfection. Aspiring consultants often start by working with established agencies, learning the intricacies of luxury travel planning. Building a personal client base involves significant networking and marketing efforts. Financial rewards can take years to materialize, as trust and reputation are key in this profession. Number 11. Stunt performer. Becoming a stunt performer offers thrill and adventure, but breaking into this profession is notoriously difficult. Aspiring stunt performers must master diverse physical skills, ranging from martial arts to precision driving, and undergo specialized training. These skills take years to refine, often under the guidance of industry veterans. Even with training, opportunities are scarce, as studios often rely on seasoned professionals for high-risk scenes. Stunt performers face considerable physical risk, requiring exceptional safety knowledge and a readiness to take calculated dangers. The competition in this field is fierce, with few roles available to newcomers. Number 12. Voice actor. Voice acting offers a creative outlet and flexibility, but demands immense skill and effort to achieve recognition. This field requires mastery of vocal control, emotional expression, and the ability to adapt to various characters or tones. Many aspiring voice actors start with smaller gigs, such as local commercials or audiobooks. Building a career involves creating a standout demo reel and networking with casting agents or production companies. Competition in this field is fierce, with experienced actors often dominating key opportunities. The versatility needed to succeed keeps this field challenging yet rewarding. Passion for storytelling and hard work are vital for thriving here. Number 13. Conservation scientist. Conservation scientists protect ecosystems and wildlife, making this role a dream for those passionate about environmental preservation. Securing a position often requires advanced degrees in environmental science or biology, along with hands-on field experience. Candidates must also possess excellent research and communication skills to influence policies and public opinion. Jobs in conservation are limited and often tied to funding or government programs, making them highly competitive. Scientists frequently work in challenging conditions, conducting research in remote areas, or addressing urgent ecological crises. Success demands a combination of technical expertise and adaptability to ever-changing environmental needs. Number 14. Private investigator. Working as a private investigator seems thrilling and mysterious, but demands extensive skills and persistence to succeed. Investigators must master surveillance, research, and interpersonal skills, often through years of training or mentorship. Licensing requirements and legal knowledge also create barriers to entry in this competitive field. Gaining credibility involves building trust with clients while maintaining strict confidentiality. Many start by working under agencies before establishing their independent practice. Success requires adapting to diverse cases, ranging from fraud investigations to personal matters. Despite the challenges, the allure of uncovering hidden truths keeps this career appealing. It combines curiosity, persistence, and problem-solving. Number 15. Cruise ship performer. Performing aboard luxury cruise ships offers travel and excitement, but presents unique hurdles for entertainers. Cruise lines demand exceptional versatility in singing, dancing, or comedic performances. Landing a role often requires auditions and experience in related fields, such as theater or event hosting. Entertainers must adjust to life at sea, performing consistently while managing long contracts and limited personal space. The competition remains high, as cruise companies seek multi-talented performers who can cater to international audiences. Maintaining energy and enthusiasm during extended voyages adds another layer of difficulty. Number 16. Professional esports player. Esports offer fame and financial rewards for skilled gamers, but require relentless effort and sacrifice to succeed. Players must dedicate countless hours to mastering their game, often starting with small competitions to build their reputation. Teams and sponsors seek exceptional talent, leaving little room for mediocrity. The physical and mental toll of competitive gaming is significant, with players needing sharp focus and quick reflexes. Travel and irregular schedules add complexity, as tournaments often take place globally. Consistently performing at the highest level becomes a constant challenge. The intense competition and evolving industry make this a rewarding but high-pressure career. Number 17. Luxury real estate agent. Selling luxury properties offers significant rewards, but the barriers to entering this niche are substantial. Agents must possess exceptional market knowledge, negotiation skills, and an ability to connect with affluent clients. Success often requires years of experience in traditional real estate before transitioning to high-end properties. Building a reputation in this exclusive market involves networking with developers, investors, and other industry professionals. Clients expect seamless transactions and personalized service, adding pressure to deliver flawless results. Adapting to market trends and economic shifts also challenges agents consistently. Number 18. Wildlife photographer. Wildlife photography combines adventure, artistry, and a love for nature, making it a dream job for nature enthusiasts. Yet, competition in this field is intense, with many vying for limited opportunities in magazines or wildlife organizations. Success requires patience, technical skill, and the ability to endure harsh environments. Photographers spend hours or days capturing the perfect shot, often in remote and challenging locations. The cost of travel, equipment, and time can be prohibitive for those starting in the field. Building a portfolio that stands out demands both dedication and creativity. The unpredictable nature of wildlife adds another layer of difficulty, as moments cannot be staged or rehearsed. Number 19. Chocolatier. Becoming a chocolatier merges culinary artistry with the science of confectionery, making it a sought-after niche. Aspiring chocolatiers often start with formal training at culinary schools or apprenticeships with established artisans. Mastering the craft requires years of practice, experimenting with textures, flavors, and artistic presentations. Success depends on building a unique style that distinguishes work in a crowded market. Entrepreneurs face additional challenges in sourcing quality ingredients and maintaining sustainable production practices. Recognition in the field often comes through competitions, collaborations, or media exposure. Why dream jobs are worth the effort. Chasing your dream job may be an uphill climb, but the journey is often its own reward. If you aspire to be a Michelin-starred chef, a fashion designer, or an astronaut, understanding the path and its challenges is vital. Preparation, passion, and persistence can make the difference between aspiration and achievement. While competition is fierce, the satisfaction of landing a role you love makes every struggle worthwhile. As you consider these careers, remember to weigh the realities against your passions. Sometimes, the most fulfilling jobs aren't easy to attain, but they're always worth striving for. Which dream job inspires you the most? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.